open. Wow! Ganda oh! Ganda! Hello beautiful people! This is Akira and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's vlog is I'll be doing a quick unboxing again. And this is shoes from Michael Kors. Again from Michael Kors. But FYI, this is not mine. This is actually for my best friend. Shout out to you my dear BFF Philgy! She's from Cebu City guys. Cebu City, Philippines. So, we've been friends for like over 10 years and para kaming mag-sister talaga guys. And she's very generous. Palagi siyang nagbibigay sa akin ng mga gift at hindi siya kuripot sa gift guys. Last year, she gave me like belated gift, my birthday gift, Kate Spade bag from US. Hindi ko ini-expect na bibigyan niya ako ng ganun. So, hindi siya kuripot, guys. So, that's why I'm thinking it's my turn to give her a decent gift. So, I decided to order Michael Kors shoes for her. Hey, so sister, hey, Mr. on the radio, stereo, the way you move ain't fair, you know. Hey, so sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do tonight. This is supposed to be surprise, guys, because her birthday is coming this October. So, iso-surprise ko sana siya, but I wanna make sure the size baka magkamali. So, yeah, nalaman niya, guys. I told her about this. So, yeah, alam na niya. So, without further ado, let's open it. So, this is the package, guys. Dumating siya yesterday, and this came from United Kingdom. So, this is the receipt. I'm just gonna get the receipt. This is the receipt, Michael Kors. So let's open it. Super cute. Wow, ang ganda. So, nilagyan nila ng mga bubbles-bubbles, guys. Mga ganito. Para safe talaga, no? So, this is the box, guys. Napunit ko sa nails ko, guys. Sorry, ma'am. Ayan, so this is the box. Ano ko siya, guys. Pang naano sa nails ko, guys. Ayan, very cute. So, let's open it. Excited na yung boyfriend. Excited na yung best friend ko. Boyfriend. Open. Wow! Ganda oh! Ganda! Ganda! So, ito siya guys. Flat shoes. Ayan. So, tanggalin lang natin yung plastic. Wow! So, the size of these shoes is size 8. Size 7 talaga siya, guys. But to make sure, kasi medyo maliit yung sizes niya. Like, my size was actually size 5, but nakasya yung size 6. So, medyo maliit yung size niya. So, just to make sure, size 8 na lang yung pinili niya na size. Ayan, so ito siya, guys. Tagalin na natin yung plastic. Super ganda, ma'am. Tingnan mo, ma'am. BFF. Wow! Ang dami niyang MK. So, the color of this is vanilla. Ayan, guys. So, meron siyang MK dito. Ayan. And then, lahat. Merong MK. Ayan. Hindi siya mawawala, no? Kasi ang dami niyang signature. Ayan na din sa gilid. Dito. There's Michael Kors na sign dito. Ayan. Diba? And then dito din, meron siyang MK. Super ganda. Ito yung partner niya. Ito guys. Gustong gusto ito ng BFF ko. Siya din yung pumili sa, actually ako yung pumili sa color, pero nung pinikita ko sa kanya, kasi meron siyang dalawang color, ito vanilla at saka yung dark, pero mas gusto niya din tong kulay na to. Yan, so, ito yung partner niya, guys. Ayan. Super ganda. Kaso hindi ako mahilig sa flat, guys, kasi I'm very tiny. I'm short. Tapos mag-flat pa ako. So, gusto ko may counting wedge or heels. Pero siya kasi, yung best friend ko is mataas siya. So, mahilig siya sa flat. So, perfect ito sa kanya. So, ayan siya, guys. Ang daldal ko, no? Sorry, guys. Ayan. So, ayan siya. Super ganda. Kung mataas na talaga ako, guys, no? Bibili talaga ako nito. At meron din pala siyang Michael Kors dito. Ayan. Actually, guys, mas mahal pa ito sa shoes ko. Tingnan lang natin sa loob, guys, ha. Nagpapaalam ako sa kanya na kung pwede ba i-unboxing ko to. Sabi niya, of course daw, bakit ako nagpapaalam na ako daw yung bumili. So, ito, guys, ang ganda ng loob niya. Ayan. Meron siyang Michael Kors na gold. Ayan. Super ganda, guys. Ma'am, I hope you will love this. You will like this. Hindi ko na lang itatry, guys, ha, kasi ang liit-liit ng paa ko, so hindi siya kasya. So, yeah, guys, ganito kami na mag-best friend. Give and take lang kami. Since hindi siya kuripot sa akin, so hindi din ako kuripot sa kanya. Di ba, ma'am? Love you, ma'am. Love you, BFF. So, if you wonder how much the price, guys, nag-sale siya ng 50% off. I forgot exactly how much the original price, but that was like 200 something New Zealand dollars. But since it's 50% off, I paid 169 New Zealand dollars. So, it's like estimated price in pesos like 5,200. Yeah, estimated price. And it's free shipping, guys. So, if you're interested to order something like this, they have heaps of shoes there in Michael Kors. So I'm gonna put the Michael Kors website in my description box. You can check it out. They have lots of stuff na 50% off at the moment. So again, hindi lang shoes yung sinisale nila, guys. They also have bags, clothes, shoes, watches, yeah, all sort, guys. So you can check out their website if you're interested. So that's all my vlog for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now!